That is not a crescent.
No, that
No
is.
sun.
That is not a moon.
No, it's a sun.
Okay.
Yes, Daddy, that's a sun.
Look, it's a sun.
Yes.
And the birds.
Santa Ana ito.
The one's a door.
Elijah Joy.
Yes, today.
120. Normal 120.
Okay. More.
You want more? Oh, careful, ha? It's hot.
Doon mo na lang siya patulogin sa bahay.
It's
Oh,
a semicircle.
Yeah, what's that?
Score naman si daddy.
Red.
A bread?
Yes.
Wow. That bread is tasty.
Kano ito nito?
It's shaped like a semicircle.
Yes. Tatlo dos. Tatlo, dalawang real.
What?
Yeah. Is it tasty?
Yes.
Wow. Sambosa in the
Where the soda?
yeah. Sambosa in the industrial area is so tasty.
Yes.
Wow.
Look, it's white.
Yeah, it's a white cheese.
This is white cheese. It's cheese.
Ganito kalayo. Pick up ka. Pagod ka na pagbalik.
Oh.
Okay kung hindi ka nag-drive. Tulog ka lang eh.
Oo, no?
Look, a fuel tank. And a cow.
Yeah. So tasty.
Comes up.
Thumbs up.
Comes up.
Tasty.
Yeah. Tasty.
Very, very tasty.
Nakasulat mami kung ilang kilometro siya. Galing sa inano natin. Hindi nakasulat kung ilang kilometro.
Kanina.
Umabot
Mamaya.
siya
Mamaya makita natin.
Umabot siya ng 50.
Hindi ko alam eh. Pinapansin. Parang kulang-kulang 50. Kasi dito pa lang 29 kilometers na eh. Papunta dun sa atin. So parang nasa ganun 50. You want more?
It's a small one.
Yeah. Wow! Good job naman ng Elijah
Tingnan mo
Joy.
pag sa asfalto tahimik.
Oo, no?
Wow.
Tahimik yung
It's a
gulong.
semicircle.
Wow.
Like a bridge.
Aha.
Mas malakas kumayod ng ano yung simento.
Ang gulong. Ito kasi maganda ang kapit eh.
Kaya ko na.
Let's see.
Mura dito yung ano nila. Mga bilihin.
Yummy, right?
Mura nga sa
Yummy,
ano.
right? Mommy?
Yes,
Probinsya.
yummy. Mura. Yung tubig nga, ano lang yan eh, 50. Ano, ang sabi nga lang niya sa akin, 11.50 eh. Yung
Mommy,
150 yung tatlong
Mami!
tubig. Yes, love.
look, it's a high people transportation.
Yes.
Pinahapos siya.
Baka may violation siya.
Hindi, mayroon kasi silang
Yummy.
ano.
Yummy.
Yummy, right?
Nakikita yung
Baka na overspeeding. Yeah,
Thumbs
yummy.
up?
I cannot thumbs up. Oh. Nose up na lang. Nose up. Nose up. Okay. Thumbs up. Is that yummy?
Yes.
Okay.
Yung tipong nakikita yung plate number nila.
Look, a pickup truck.
Ayun, ano na yan pala yan? King Abdulaziz, ano?
Mommy!
Medical
Mommy!
City. Yes, love.
Look, there's so many cars.
Yeah,
Bago
there's a
lang
lot
to,
of
kasi
cars.
nun, ito sa bundok eh.
Oo. Maganda yung ano nyo, location na oh.
Tapos walang bahay-bahay dito na
Mm.
ano, malapit na yung accommodation niya. Kape.
Mm-mm.
Special silang
And
lahat.
the bridge.
Hindi, parking
Right,
space ata
Mommy?
na. Yes, love.
Look at this.
Yung accommodation natin nasa likod.
Yummy, right?
Rami.
It's a tall building.
Yeah, it's a tall building.
Cool, right?
Yeah, cool. That's a hospital also. Ayun yung accommodation nila sa likod.
Cool, right?
Yeah.
Ganda ng accommodation nila.
Oo, no?
Kasi pagawan talaga nila ng accommodation dito, malayo sa ano eh.
Sa Bihasnan.
Oo.
Nasa mo yung bunganga mo. What's that?
A bus.
A bag. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
We went to Tito Not house.
Yes, I want to stay here.
Okay, you stay at Tito Not next time, okay? Because Tito Not is going for holiday on Thursday.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. You say hi, Daddy. Hi. Hi. Gusto naman niya, siya lang yung nasa camera.
Look, the bridge.
Yeah, we're under the bridge. Oh no, the bridge is over.
Yes, because it's so dark.